There we go. Watch this, watch this. Watch this. Watch this, ready? Woo! We're having a barbecue! This is starter fluid, ladies and gentlemen. And this is what you shouldn't do with it. What do you think it's to eat? Woo! Christmas is done! You filming it still? Ladies and gentlemen, never take starter fluid. Oh, it's dead. Hell with that. Hey, you see that Christmas tree? Hey, you guys see this? You still got it on it? Play it until it runs out. Don't get too close to the fire.
I'm trying to.
That's alright, we can put that shit out. Whew! A lot of heat.
Yeah, we should take kind of away.
Yeah, move that gas can.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we're doing Indian dance. Hold on, I get the hose. I get the hose.
Get away from it so close, mister.
I'm putting it on YouTube.
Don't get too close.
I'm putting it out.
It's going out by itself. Just leave it alone.
Yeah. I should have had this ready.
Yeah, I usually do. Take the kids out of it.
Yeah. Watch yourself, Sam.
Yeah, do it around like a ring of water.
Yeah, I got it. Well, we definitely know where the fire spot is now. What do you think, Sam? Watch yourself. Shut it off. Is it done? Shut it off. Hit it.